Good afternoon, everybody. We are here. Sorry I missed the morning chat this morning, but we're back this afternoon and we are ready to go. Who do we have first in the chat today? Let's see. We got Paul Wright first in the chat. What's going on, Paul? Robert, Frank, Pringleton, guest name. Nick F. What's going on? Guest name. D. Gordon, guest name. Faustino. How you doing, Faustino? Randy, weirdo. How you doing there? D. Weirdo. Randy. J5, man. Thank you very much for the member chat. J5 says, how is everyone today? J5, man. I'm doing great, J5. Thank you for the 2-month member chat, man. Paul, Huaya Quincio, J5, Tim, Danelle, Happy Caddy. Danelle, we got Keith, Redline, Sean, Paul, Nick F, Happy Caddy, Danelle, Frodo, Danelle, Shredda, Frodo, sorry, JJ Shibburn, Mark, Shredda, Danelle, and Brian. Let's go on over to the market because today is a green day. It's a green day, guys. Let's see what we got going on over here this green day. We've got AMC, top left, sitting at $18.46 right now. It's up 5.91%. Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu coin's giving us a little bit of a doji here, guys. We got Shiba Inu coin on the daily chart, sitting right here, trying to break back up into this 2,800, 2,900 level, but it is currently sitting at 2634. We get GameStop, bottom right, sitting up 4% on the day at $150.78. We've got Farmy down on the bottom left at 13.15 cents. The NASDAQ soaring, flying. NASDAQ bouncing back off this little intermediary level of support that we put on there yesterday, and it is up 2% today. So very nice gain in the NASDAQ there. Love it when the market is green. Prague sitting up 1.46% right now. Like we say, Farmy is up to 13.18, up about 0.5%. AMC up 5.70% right now. Sundial up almost 5%, 4.5%. Mullen Auto down 2%. We get CEI ripping today. CEI 8160 up about 18%. The SPY is up 1.20% today. BBIG about at break even, trying to barcode there. And Highcroft mining bouncing back off that $1. What was it yesterday? $1.96? Is that what it was hitting? $1.94 after hours there. Okay, $1.95 is what it hit yesterday. And then pre-market, it looks like pre-market was $1.94, soaring up to $2.18 today. Very nice. If you guys are in Highcroft, I am not, but I love the gains, man. The gain, we need green. We need green, and today is a good day to see some green, and we are getting just that. How was you guys this morning? Let me know how your morning was. No, just the one. She's a rescue I found a few months back, and the river, something on the river is stuck on a tiny island. Very interesting, Happy Caddy. What's up, Clay? What's going on? Admin! No, you're not an admin. Nice picture, though. Good-looking guy. I read Prague is going to change their ticker name because they're switching companies. I feel good about it. Shredda, yeah. Devil's Advocate was saying something about that. I haven't read into it, but that is the word on the street right now. I have to make purchases more cheap because I got paid and the price values is so good, so I will do that on the Coinbase. And also, good luck to all investors. D, man, good luck to you as well, and thank you for the luck wish there. Then awesome, nice Frodo Baggins. I got some ATER 5, then skimmed off profits at 640 to buy some shiny new AMC. Pringleton, loving it. Getting those gains. Pringleton grabbing some gains on ATER right there. I am not in ATER, but I saw the ATER was somewhere around... Oh, what it hit? 647 today? Is that what it was a little while ago? Let's see if we got it on the chart over here. ATER, where are you? I know you are. Here it is. ATER, what did it tap today? What is the high? 664 ATER tapped. Very nice. ATER going up to, where was 664? Going up to 664 earlier, and it has been selling off a little bit since then. So if you guys are in ATER, very interesting candle today. Well out of the resistance range that we were in down here. And wow, 664, not bad at all. Testing the upper end of this area right in here. If it broke this area, I would have guessed a run up to $8 per share would have been in the books. And hey, if it's just gathering steam where it's at right now, if it's on a tear, you know, $8 could be the next level. You guys might see it run up just like this right here. Going from $3 all the way up to $19. You were down to $2. I mean, you could start to go on a very similar run that we saw back here in September of 2021. So If you guys are in ATER, best of luck to you. I hope you absolutely smash it. Crypto Burger. I have no idea what that says, man. Not gonna lie, no idea. If you know what, I love the green, if you know what I mean. Jose Garcia, the money, man. Yeah, the money is green. I love the green too. Smash the like button, fan. Listen to Dindy James, please. I'm doing great today, Clay. Got me some Molly NFTs, a Meta Nightclub NFT, and ATER is ripping today. Everything is coming up, man. Let's get it. Frodo, man. I love it when everything comes together like that, don't you? The thing that I'm excited about is, although Farmy is extremely low, I feel like I'm going to be exiting this trade here and freeing up some capital. So I am excited about that. Next week is probably going to be the week for that, so we'll have to see what happens. I was looking at this, though. You've got this daily chart here, and you can see that if you... This is very interesting. The trend coming together on this downtrend right here. All of these lower highs that have been hit for the last several months since this gap down. And I mean, you can even go from before the gap, right? You can pull this trend line. I wish I could pull the trend line. I wish. You can pull this trend line out here perfectly. All of these lower highs, I mean, you see this, right? All of these lower highs being hit and bottoming out right here. Now, this is going to be very interesting. We've got the shareholder meeting. Monday is going to open up with the results of the shareholder meeting at the same time that this wedge should be broken. So we are either going to have a breakout to the upside, make a ton of money, or a breakout to the downside and lose a ton of money. But we are going to be watching that happen on Monday. So, I mean, it feels kind of good to have both those things just come together at the same time. And hopefully we get a breakout to the upside and we're all good there. But we will be watching that. And right now, I mean, we're sitting at 13.12, so not good action, but it's okay. Dindy, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Dindy's number one. Dindy's number one. Dindy's number one. Dindy, you know what you are? Dindy's number one. Dindy, man, thank you very much for that super chat. You are number one. Chris, what's going on, Chris? According to Twitter, Clay likes it was Grandpa more than me. Just joking, Clay. What's going on? Everyone's saying we have good news, bad news, annoyed. You know, I don't know if we've got any good news right now. I really don't know if we have any news at all right now. But yeah, man, my grandpa went out to breakfast with my grandpa this morning, and then he came over for a little while afterwards. Oh wow, look at that candle there. That is a nice candle. He came over afterwards. Dude, I was trying to see if Chip Bro would come in the house while he was over here. I'm sure he would have got a kick out of that, but no, he was nowhere to be found, man. Chip Bro didn't want to jump in the house. And then shortly after I left, the seeds that I put out there were gone, so I knew that dude was creeping around, stealing seeds. I'm talking about Chip Bro, not my grandpa, guys. Come on. He ain't creeping around there stealing my seeds. But no, I did have a good morning, yeah. So many charts looking exactly the same today. AMC, GME, Hood, MSN, Tesla, Apple. I've not compared all of those charts, but I would assume that yes, GameStop and AMC probably do look very similar. And AMC really performing nicely today, man. 1855, getting ready to go into the holiday weekend here. I like that. You know, we got tomorrow, and then the markets are closed for Good Friday. So I like this strong movement. If we get a confirmation tomorrow and we keep going up into the holiday weekend, that's pretty good, man. Especially as you know, traders are taking off and everything, so very good. I got kind of screwed from a work injury and have no money coming. Need a strategy. Do you know anything about trading options in crypto? No. Thousand Eyes. Actually, I've never looked into trading options in crypto, man. I will tell you this. If you're trading some options in crypto, it's probably going to be leveraged and it's probably going to be extremely risky. So be careful with that, especially if you don't have any income. You know what I mean? If you got a work injury or whatever, I know it might be tempting to try and trade something on such severe leverage, but just watch out if you are trading crypto options. Can't believe I'm still getting it so wrong. Was holding leverage position on AMC as it fell from 30 back to 18. Was away today, so just had 34 shares left. I mean, it's first green day for 10 days. I'm telling you, I hate apples. You know, and I know you feel it, man. I know you feel it, especially if you're playing if you're leveraged and you're getting in, and then it starts to run red for a while. It's very difficult, man. Very difficult. And I hope that it doesn't bust your account or anything. Can't forget Sundial earnings tomorrow. Austin, I actually did not know that Sundial had earnings tomorrow. It's interesting. the shareholder meeting for Farmy's tomorrow. So they both seemingly have earnings. Farmy's not earnings. Farmy's a shareholder meeting to discuss a possible reverse split. But that's taking place at 10 o'clock a.m. on the 15th in China, which is 10 p.m. on the 14th here. So I don't know if they're going to release results for that on Friday as the market is closed, or if they're going to wait till Monday. Either way, trading will be closed by the time that meeting takes place. So it is going to be interesting to see that there. But yeah, I did not know Sundial earnings was tomorrow, so we're going to have to keep our eye on that then. Do you know if it's after the market or if it's pre-market? Got me 5 Molly NFTs. That's the girl ones, right? Crazy beautiful artwork, utility on the way, and an amazing development team owning 5. I'll get free airdrop, their special Molly NFTs, and the Dragon Molly NFT when they drop. Very nice, Frodo. That sounds very cool, man. Hopefully Grandpa gave you some money. No, but he did buy breakfast. Did anyone bid on land? No, Brandon, I have not bid on land. I can't bid on land. I have no leash or Shiboshis locked, and you need to have those locked if you're bidding. But yeah, if anybody else is bidding on land right there, you can see Milkshake was tweeting some pictures, like some maps, and you can see the land around the central hubs are the ones being bid on first. Let's see, Alice, I would like to. It's a little complicated price for me. Something about that. Alice, I have 185 million Shiba, though. Nice. Salmon in the house, baby. What's up, Cladinho? Salmonino. Bring the Jason losses since May last year. 15,000 down, 811. I hate apples, man. It's tough, dude. It is tough. Nice. Remy will be the biggest holder on here. Dinty James? I don't know. I think SD's got a lot. There are a few other people. I did Dwight. Dwight was a pretty big holder, I thought. So there was some other people in here that had over $1 billion, right? Restock has been green lately. What do you think? REE? I've not seen REE, my friend. Ree Automotive. Is this what we're talking about here? Ree Automotive? I don't know really anything about this, but yeah, I guess it's been trending kind of sideways lately. It is down, man, but what is this, like is this a SPAC that people did not react positively to? Is that what you got here? Located between the reason and the wheel, and use X-by-wire to control full drive-by-wire, brake-by-wire, and steer-by-wire. No idea, man. No idea about this company at all. Strange, actually. No idea what they got going on, man. All right, where are we at? Strata, that sounds dangerous, man. Clipper, you've seen the white paper, the new AMC crypto. It looks like they're copying ApeCoin. I have not. I hate apples. I actually have not seen that at all. So, is it an official AMC coin, or is it somebody coming in and trying to make an AMC coin, taking advantage of all of the AMC apes that are out there? That, you gotta look at that, man. Apples, that's fake AMCs. Okay, possibly. Could be 12 billion since before October. Steve Nash. Woo-hoo-hoo. I love it, man. Steve Nash, if you're holding 12 billion, man, that is incredible. My goal is to get to 250 million and hold the 1 cent. Dude, Remy, I absolutely hope you get that there, man. That would be a killer. That would be what? $2.5 million, man. Dude, I saw, oh my God. What are your guys' thoughts on those polls that you see on Twitter? I answer them every once in a while. Somebody posted a poll today, and I don't know, they only had like 67 responses or something, but asking if, like, when you think Shiba's gonna reach $1, not a penny, $1. And the vast majority of people, I said never, the vast majority of people said that it was gonna happen between like 2025 and 2027. I'm like, dude, you realize that's a $500 trillion valuation, right? That's more than anything in the world is valued at. So very strange to me that the dollar valuation is floating around out there. I don't know. They would have to burn like 99% of their coins to equal it reaching 1 cent right now. Like it's too much. I think a lot of these whales will go back into Shiba after the land sales conclude. It got a balance there, but so yeah, Hex. Actually, I agree with that, man. And I saw that whales were jumping in. I read an article. I may talk about it a little bit in the video tonight, but whales were jumping in with some like ridiculous hundreds of billions of Shiba purchase. What did the close do? Pringleton AMC closed today at 1852, currently sitting at 1846. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 26.27 right now, down 2.5%. We've got GameStop closing at $150.40, sitting right now at $150.06 per share. Farmy is sitting here at 13.21. The NASDAQ finished 2.03% higher today. Pulled back a little bit from the intraday high, but nonetheless closed with a 2% gain. Farmy closed at $1.05, currently sitting at $1.05 after hours. Sundial, 59.28, sitting flat after hours. Mullen Auto, $2.40, down slightly after hours. CEI, 82.10 cents. The SPY closed at 443.30. BBIG closed at 270 even. And Highcroft Mining finished the day at $2.18. So a lot of activity going on today and beautiful green colors across the market. That's what I like to see, especially heading into a holiday weekend. That's a good sign. Clickbait really is something probably never... Guys, $1, it will be ridiculous. Unless they burn like 99% of the token over an extremely long period of time, I would say $1 might be just out of the question in general. $500 trillion valuation. I mean, you could probably buy the United States for $500 trillion. It might even cost less than that. Checked my Shib this morning and it said $1 for like 40 seconds. Pugnacious. You should have sold, man. You should have sold. She asked me one more dance and I said, yeah. I know I missed something on that one. AMC Trapper in the house, baby. What's going on, Trapper? How you doing today? There's over $1 quadrillion in various derivatives out there in the world right now. World economy is a house of cards and a strong wind is coming. Is it going to blow it over? Are these cards held together by any sort of glue? Or are these cards going to fall over? Now we need to know. Dang, man. Farmy's got some nice green candles coming on after hours here. This is good. I like these greens. I like these green candles, boys. If the burn portal works, as they say, we can see $1 by 2025. Pink Monkey, agreed. The thing that I don't necessarily agree about with the burn portal is those were hypotheticals, and they rarely work out the same way that they're theorized to work out, right? If it does, absolutely. It's like the same thing as me going in and saying, well, dude, if I just made 1% a day, if I could day trade 1% gains a day, I would have $1 million in my account by the end of the year. Guaranteed. That's easy, man. I could easily hit 1% a day. It's nice to put those hypotheticals out there, but very hard to do in reality. So you are absolutely correct, though. If those numbers do come to be, yeah, I'd be on the dollar train as well, but I don't know. I don't know if they will. Forgot my cup. Clever, how much did you like the drawing of yourself? Does it look like you would have... Forgot my cup. I don't know where you had this drawing, man. I don't know. I messaged you back on there or responded to the thing. I never saw a drawing. Don't forget Queenie's spreadsheet, 100. Yes, potentially. Remy, exactly, man. If that does come to be, I'm on it. I'm on the dollar train. But if we can't burn like that, yeah, I don't know. And remember, too, that it would be very difficult to continually burn the same amount of tokens, right? Nobody wants to see Shiba Inu coin burning that many tokens and maintaining the same price. If that happens, you're going to see Shiba Inu coin go from like a $10 to $15 billion valuation down to like a $10 to $15 million valuation. And that would just destroy everything. The whales would lose all their money. They would leave. It's not easy to sustain those types of burns. because we would expect the price to rise along the way. And then if you expect to burn another 100 trillion tokens the following year, you might be burning 5 times as much money. It's nice when the numbers are there. It's just difficult to see play out that way. Hello, bros. JB, what's going on, man? How you doing, JB? What is Shredder? What did I miss you? Something? Didn't see what the else said. Sorry. Click. Let's see. Tomorrow, Victor. Tomorrow, MOS, man. You got it. I think we closed green today, but why is everyone saying the chart is bullish? Not really, but about to unfollow all my AMs. Dude, I don't listen. I don't know. Okay, I have not seen. I did not spend a ton of time on Twitter today. I did spend a little bit of time, but like I said, my grandpa was over here for a while, and then my dad came over for a minute. But if you're looking at AMC, no, I don't want it down here. We'll keep this down here. We'll go daily on this. I don't know, man. I don't know. The fact that we've got a nice turn here, bouncing with the overall market today, and reaching this intermediary level of support right in here, it's tough to see a super bullish chart. And I know a lot of people, they try to make anything on AMC look bullish, but I don't get like serious bullish vibes just from this chart right here. So I don't know what they would be looking at, man. And that's not to say it's bearish, right? But I don't know what they would be looking at. I just know they try. They flip it every which way to make it bullish, and I don't know. I mean, it's nothing for AMC in my mind. JB means nothing for AMC in my mind either. Let's see. Calls. Gosh, man, where's he at? Chris! Wasn't every chart green today? I did see a couple red charts today. Just a couple. Trapper diamond-handed apes, baby. AMC my cash secure puts for tomorrow. Rolled them out in a week and down and strike the 20. Collected $15 extra premium and freed up $50 collateral. Closer to the butter mayo zone. Nice. We got to get that mayo zone in there. I do remember all that. Man, Farmy's got some nice green candles coming. No, never mind. I spoke too soon. All right, don't look at the chart. I'm not looking. Don't do that to you. But ended up answering an hour later to your tweet. Check the tweet you sent me. Forgot my cup. I will have to. I actually didn't see the notification that you sent back over. So maybe I'll see it there. I probably will. Sorry about that, man. I did think that I responded to you, but I didn't see that you responded back. When will Shib increase to $0.1? 10 cents. Interesting. I still think 10 cents. If they don't burn, man, Tigler. I still don't think if they don't burn a ton of Shiba Inu coin, prices like that are going to be tough, man. They really are. Because you're talking about a $50 trillion valuation. That would be like buying, 50 Teslas? 50 entire Tesla companies if Shiba Inu coin reaches a 10-cent price. It's going to be tough, dude. It would be very, very difficult to see that happen. Jimmy, I don't know, didn't look today, but if it was, then it's something we've seen come and go. Seems like Clay is the only one that keeps it real, tired of everything bullshit. Look, I want to keep it real, but I still want to remain with that optimism, right? I do think that there are bearish times on AMC, and I don't necessarily like the fundamentals on AMC, but I'm absolutely bullish on a short squeeze, because I know the shorts have to cover their shares. I just don't know when it's gonna be, man. I try to be honest, because I don't want to string anybody along or anything like that. Especially for the fact that I'm in it too. I don't want to string myself along. But it's tough, man. 32 coming tonight. Craig Waynes, 32 on it. Dude, if we hit 32 on it, you're saying on AMC? What are you saying, 32? 3,200 points per coin? Or 32 on AMC, Craig? I need to know, man. I need to know. Last time this happened on the chart, we ripped, or we've got this chart set up so tomorrow will be huge, and then tomorrow comes and we get screwed again. Yeah, dude, it is tough. And I've seen some people on there kind of apologizing and saying that they're done with their technical analysis on AMC, on Twitter, I'm talking about. Because they've been wrong. They were saying it was going to squeeze last week. They were saying it was going to squeeze this week. They are saying they're not going to say it's squeezing next week now. They've actually lost some money, and they're going to watch it roll next week, so we'll see. Trevor, no, he had a brunch with his... Yeah, Trevor, did you stream earlier? No, AMC Trapper, I posted on Twitter, man. I went out to... I went over to my grandpa's house. I hope he's not listening right now. Went over to my grandpa's house at like 7:30 this morning, and then he was sleeping until like 9. So we got a later breakfast than I would have wished to have had, but then he came over for a little while and we hung out afterwards. So yeah, I didn't stream this morning. Did the video this morning and then just decided to do the afternoon one. Clint, did you hear about AMC token? It is fake. A read on Twitter is pushed from a WeWork building. WeWork co-founders ties to Ken Griffin. Interesting. Mr. Simon, so I did not see that today. I was not as I guess, I don't even know consumed by Twitter or whatever, because I was hanging out with my grandpa and then my dad came over a little bit later. So I didn't see that today. But yeah, I would imagine if there was some sort of an AMC token, we would have heard about it from Adam Aaron before it was released. So be careful with that, guys. If you're out there and you see something, just verify it before you jump into it. And I don't know, man. Like Simon, I don't know if it's from WeWork or who it is, if they have any ties to Citadel or not, but it does sound pretty sketchy, man. Kind of brought $5,000 on flat broke. Prostate pleaser. Prostate pleaser, what kind of a name is that? Yeah, you can borrow that, but probably not for me. If we bring 10 trillion coins right now, what do you think the price would be per coin? The same for 100. So hex competitive, that's actually a question that I've thought about and can't come up with an answer, okay? And I'm going to put it this way. So if we burnt 10 trillion tokens, that is 2% of the entire outstanding supply right now. If we burn 2% of the tokens, we could see roughly 2.5% increase in the price of Shiba Inu coin, which would take us to 2,700 points per coin. Would take us to 2,700 points per coin if we burnt 10 trillion tokens. Now, 10 trillion tokens at the current price. Oh, that's 10 billion. That's 10 trillion. Yeah. No. That's $250 million. It's $265 million, man. So if we just disappeared $265 million US, we will likely see Shiba Inu coin go up to about 2,700 points per coin. Very difficult to stomach that. If we burnt the 100 trillion, that's 20%. We might see Shiba Inu coin go to 3,000 points per coin. Why am I saying that, and why does it not sound very good? Because I'm not including any extra excitement from coins being burnt. I'm keeping the market cap the same, and I'm using the remaining tokens that would be left out there to keep the market cap the same and multiply the remaining tokens by the price necessary to keep that market cap the same. So 2,700 if we burnt 10 trillion tokens, which is $265 million. If we burn $2.6 billion, man, disappear $2.6 billion US, we might see the price go to 3,000 points per coin. Jonesing for a lot of money, the creators who stream good stuff. Shredder, I know I missed something, man. I know I missed something on there. Very sorry about that. Okay, thank you, Paul. Absolutely. I think it's a scam. Doesn't even use a real AMC logo for AMC coin. Red candle is getting bigger. I don't like big red candles. I like big green candles. AMC falling 2% after hours right now, sitting at 18.22. Shiba Inu coin trying to bounce back, actually, sitting at 26.48. Farmy sitting at 13.30 after hours right now. Actually, a pretty volatile after hours on Farmy there. Farmy got that shareholder meeting coming up tomorrow night, 10 p.m. Eastern time. Anything else going on after hours here? Nothing on Prog, sitting at break even. AMC, like I said, down 2%. Sundial, basically break even. Molinado, break even. CEI, down about 1.5%. SPY, break even. BBIG, down 0.25%. And Highcroft Mining, down roughly 1.4% right now. So interesting action we got going on after hours. Okay, AMC, good green candle. Thank you for posting that green candle, AMC. How much Shiba Inu would you get for $1 billion? I'm curious if a whale jumped in and spent a billy. A billion Shiba Inu coin, $1 billion right now. So what? You get roughly 4 million tokens for $100. So what do you walk away with? 4 trillion on $1 billion? I think you walk away with 4 trillion coins. That's 4 billion. No, it would be 40 trillion. You get 40 trillion coins, man. I think 40 trillion coins. Because 4 billion coins. That's $105 million. Am I right, guys? Is it 40 trillion coins? I think it's 40 trillion coins that you're going to walk away with if you drop $1 billion. Moji, congratulations on 6 months. Moji, man. Thank you very much for the member chat. It says 3, actually 5. It's actually 6. Moji's numbers are all over the place, guys. He said it says 3. It's actually 5. No, dude. It is definitely 6. Congrats on the 6 months, man. And thank you very much for that member chat. Absolutely appreciate it. All the green names out there. Thank you, guys. Shiba hit 90.81 per coin before Coinbase crashed. The average Joe. You talking last October? The high that I see here on Weeble's 8,800. Congrats, bro. Heck yeah, not bad. Not bad at all, dude. Walking away with 40 trillion coins. I would love it. 38.5 trillion. Thank you. JJ Shibburn. Good deal, man. Roughly 40 trillion coins at $1 billion. Cut, you're not in a corner eating crayons and drinking glue. I just tell it like it is. I like good creators who are positive, and I want one of my jackpots to hit big. Shredder, you have no idea, man. I want all of your guys' jackpots to hit big, right? I know a lot of you guys are in Prague. A lot of you guys are in Shiba. A lot of you guys are in AMC. Some are in GameStop. A lot of you guys have Sundial, ATER, BBIG. There's a lot of different stocks. And look, man, I'm not going to sit here and be like, well, you got to be in AMC and only in anything like that, man. And I do know that a lot of these stocks, it's not like we're sitting here talking about Tesla and Apple and Hershey and some of these bigger names, Amazon and Google, and we're sitting here analyzing the fundamentals and saying, oh, this actually looks great, man. We could be setting ourselves up for a nice 4% rally throughout the year, and we've got some great upside based on the fundamentals of this company. A lot of the stocks that we do talk about are basically jackpot plays, man. They're risky, but the rewards could be insane. So, yeah, I hope all of your guys' jackpots hit, man. Just purchased 200 million Shiba. Very nice. Very, very nice there. Yes, science. Speaking into existence. Do it, man. That's the one. Hey, listen, you guys' words, they do have power, man. Alice is right on that. Hoodrose helpline. No. This is my helpline. Pull right. Thank you for the 3-month member chat. 3 long. Hey, Paul, did it say 0 months for you? Or what does it say when you're actually in it for 3 months? Does it lie to you too? When does it stop counting? Congratulations. What is Ford do? Oh, Ford's another one. Is that what you're saying? I was like, what is Ford doing? I thought Ford was a little bit green today, but it wasn't doing anything major. AR, thank you very much for the super chat. AR says, hey, bro, last night I had a dream. I had a couple dreams last night too. I set my alarm to get up, make sure I wasn't going to miss breakfast this morning. And then I spent the entire night worrying about my alarm going off. So I had a lot of dreams too. But let's see what your dream was. AMC Squeeze, and I took $30,000 profit that I invested in the next day in Shiba. What would you do in that same scenario? AR, yeah, man. I don't think that would be ridiculous, right? I really don't. And depending on which one jumps when and things like that, I don't think that it would be bad to have one run up in value, no matter how high it runs, right? I don't know what in your dream if AMC ran to 100 or 1,000 or whatever, how many shares you have, but it runs up. You take your profit and then roll it over into something else. Now that if 30,000 is a huge sum of money, and you could really be set. Maybe pay off all of your debt or something with 30,000. I still want you guys to think rationally after it goes up, and because it might have been easy come, I don't want to see it easy go either. So to roll all of it over into Shiba, yeah, dude, I do think that you could turn that 30,000 into 100,000 just by having Shiba go back up to its all-time highs. There's a lot of potential there when they run detached from each other. If Shiba ran at the same time and AMC Squeeze, you made 30 grand and Shiba was sitting at 9,000 points per coin or something, might be a little bit of a different scenario. But yes, I don't know if it is necessarily prudent to go out and invest your entire squeeze earnings in another risky play, but just practice what you're going to be comfortable with. Diversification is always the way to mitigate risk. But, I mean, hey, man, if you think Shiba's going to roll and you want to do it, AR, I say, why not, man? Who am I to tell you what to do with your money? Big Labro wants to keep in touch. Probably same one that followed me on Twitter. I reported Alice in Wonderland. Very nice, and thank you for reporting all those fake Labros on Twitter. I don't like those. A few synthetic clays in the stream today. Moaz incoming. Very weird that the synthetic clays in the stream today. They don't always show up in here. If you really wanted to own a Ford... Dude, I had Ford Focuses for a while. I don't know. I didn't mind Ford Focus. How much would you get if you got 2 million Shiba? How will you have it if it gets to a penny? So Tony Tan, man, if you have 2 million Shiba, which is I think what that is right there, it's a lot easier if you use commas. If it goes to a penny, you'd have 20 grand. You would take your $40 investment, your $50 current investment, and you turn that bad boy into $20,000. Thank you, JJ Shibburn, for answering that there. I appreciate that. Thank you all, my friends. Love you all absolutely. Speaking of trucks, the dealership sent a letter, wanted to buy back the truck. We just paid it off. They must be desperate. Cassie, yeah, because they know they're going to buy it off you probably for what you paid it off for, and then they're going to sell it for twice as much because they need cars. Tax it. Oh, yeah. AMC Trapper, tax it. AMC Trapper's like, boo, come back down to reality. Come on. Yeah, don't forget to pay your taxes, though. Taxes suck, but you gotta pay them. That's the nice way to say it, Alice. Found on the roadside, dead. Ford. You guys are ripping on Ford. All right, have a good night, everyone. JB, man, thank you very much for hanging out in here, JB. Enjoy your evening, and appreciate you for coming by. Don't forget to click the like button if you have not done so. Try to keep it nice, Cassie. Good, because there was a time in my life when I drove Fords, and I liked it. Now, Kia. Nice pick, Shredder. What is Shredder? Oh, jeez, yeah, Shredder. I thought Shredder might have changed his pick. But the answer is no. Shredder did not change his picture. Taxation is the... Dude, I was sitting there, and I was talking to my mom, I think it was today, and I'm like, Mom, what's the difference in, the United States government and the Mafia? You know what I mean? Like, if I'm sitting here running a business, and I gotta give a portion of my business earnings to the United States government just to continue running my business and not end up getting my knees broken or put in jail, what is the difference? I guess if the Mafia is involved, I got to pay the Mafia and the government. Although if I'm paying the Mafia, I mean, I'm sure I could use that as a write-off, and then I wouldn't have enough profit to even get taxed on. So I really don't know the difference. If anybody can explain the difference to me between the U.S. government and the Mafia, because, the Mafia is going to protect your business from anybody else coming in because they want to make sure that you guys continue making money and they keep taking their cut. I don't know. I couldn't find a difference there. Did taxes today, Moji? Yeah, man, I feel you. Taxes were on my mind too, man. They're ripping on Ford. That's right, coming at FYI. FYI, if you own 100 shares of Ford for 6 months, you can get a preferred owner discount. Is this true? Frank, I did not know this. I did not know this at all. Why did I not know this? Dude, we need to see if Kia can do this. I'll go grab myself a new Kia Forte. Since we're talking taxes, this should hit 1 cent tomorrow. I want to cash out. What's the best way to protect my withdrawal from taxes, or is crypto untaxable? So, Remy, I believe if you live in Portugal, okay, crypto is untaxable. You can Google that, and don't quote me on that, but I believe, because I've read a couple articles saying that crypto is not taxed in Portugal, and in some of these early crypto millionaires, like multi-millionaires, moved to Portugal, right? So they didn't get taxed on it. But here, it is taxed. Now, how are you really going to see that? You're not going to be able to cash it out unless you're using a centralized exchange like Coinbase or Crypto.com or whatever. And at that point, they have your bank account, they have your social security, they're a broker, they know their customer, they have all that information. So if you cash it out through a centralized exchange, yes, it would be taxable. Very difficult to skirt the law on that. You would literally have to basically sell it black market, DeFi, like go meet some dude at McDonald's and be like, here's my billion Shiba Inu coin at a penny. You give me the cash and I'll transfer it to your wallet. So it would be tough at that point to not pay, but crypto is taxable if you are closing out of your position, right? I don't know about Canada. I don't know about Canada. I'm moving to Portugal then. No, Remy, I'm saying, like, if you guys do make multiple millions of dollars in a crypto trade, I mean, it's up to you at that point. Let's say, honestly, if somebody in here did make $10 million, right? If you made $10 million on a crypto trade, are you going to pay $4 million in taxes? Or are you going to consider moving to Portugal? Right? I don't know. I don't know what the right answer is in that situation. Clearly, if you guys got a family and everything here, you might not want to. But $4 million, your entire family can do whatever they want, probably for the rest of their life. Well, Clint, it's kind of like the U.S. has the strongest military, but we can't wipe out the cartel. It's all shitty. Chris, man, I don't know that either, right? I don't know the answer to that. You got a strong military, but the drug runners are stronger. It's strange, dude. What is the advantage of buying Shiba on Robinhood instead of any other exchange? And is it safe to leave the investment in Robinhood? Is it better to move it to a cold wallet? So AR, you actually can't move it to a cold wallet at this point because wallets are not rolled out to everybody on Robinhood. So the difference would be you're not actually holding crypto in a wallet on Robinhood yet. Same deal with Webull there. The benefit, I do think it would be a little bit more secure. The disadvantage is that it's not necessarily your crypto to transfer off platform at this time. Remy says, Portugal it is then. There you go, man. Wow, 18 months. And is anybody in here from Portugal? Like, can anybody confirm that? Because I've read articles on that. And clearly I don't know anything about tax laws in Portugal. But if anybody is in Portugal here and you guys know, that would be pretty interesting. I walked to work backwards because in the snow with no shoes, 25 miles, JJ Shib burn. Sound like my grandpa, man. No, she would likely not hit. Yeah, I also don't think it's going to hit a penny this year, guys. Probably a minimum of 3 to 5. With Burns, with huge metaverse innovations, with huge mass adoption of digital assets, yes, then it could be possible. The government is a new cartel. Well, dude, yeah, maybe. Some of these cartel guys, they pass money out, so you look at them in a good light. Well, hey, government stimulus check. Nah, I don't know. Mr. Simon might be right, man. Canada, the government doesn't consider crypto as a legal tender, so it counts as a barter. Crypto capital gains tax 50% for selling crypto. Meta pockets, you got forget about that, dude. I'm not even gonna lie to you on that one, Meta pockets. You got to look out for that. 50% tax is insane. Closer to 5, I'd say 3 is wishful. Dude, even 5 years, even if you're talking a 5-year time frame for an insane return like that, that's still amazing. How many of you would not thank yourselves from 5 years ago, right? If you set yourself up and right now is the 5-year period, 2017, you're like, yeah, you know what, man, 2017, I'm going to buy $5,000 worth of Ethereum for $1 a coin, and now 2022 rolls around, Ethereum's sitting at $3,500. and you absolutely killed it. What would you consider to add to speed up that process? Burning and increase demand. That's the two things that you could do. You could decrease supply. You can increase demand. Decrease supply through burning, however you want to do that, right? I don't necessarily know the best way. And then increasing demand, you have to create that desire to earn Shiba Inu coin or own Shiba Inu coin, whether it is through participating in a metaverse, whether it is using it at a store, whether it's some sort of an amusement park that only takes Shiba Inu coin. You have to figure out how to get people to want to buy Shiba Inu coin. Those are the two ways you do it, man. It is simple at its core, but difficult when you start to try and implement it and make it happen. Figure Shiba will double by the end of the year, and it has a 50-50 chance of dropping to zero by the end of the year. Just my opinion. Dude, if it does, we're still going to be in very good shape, man. I think it could be going for that zero by the end of the year with a rebound in the overall crypto market. I need to stress that part, because if crypto is not doing well throughout the rest of the year, Shiba Inu coin most likely will not do well through the rest of the year. But, if all this crap stops with inflation and interest rates, if all this crap stops with Russia and Ukraine, if all this crap stops with, lockdowns in China, it could easily hit that drop a zero mark and 3 zeros by the end of the year. We just have to see what the world's doing throughout the rest of the year. See it dropping to zero by the end of the year. Boom! JJ, Shib, Burn, Frank. All of us agreeing on that one. How do you feel about WBA? What is WBA? Is that a stock? Talking about Walgreens? Walgreens boots? I don't know how I feel about this, man. Is this what we're talking about here? I don't know what these guys are doing. I don't want to look into it too much before you tell me that that's what you're talking about or not, but I don't know anything about that. True story. 2017 was the year I became the wealthiest man in the world. 9/3/2017. Very nice, Pugnacious. It is nice to meet you. You became the wealthiest man in the world. I like it. Clay, do you see your picture 1 year ago? Can you imagine the next 5 years doing this? You'll age out from stress. Yeah, Shredda. If you do get stressed out, man, it would be very difficult, right? I think it's the same thing for everybody, though. So go after partnership with companies like Amazon or Netflix. That would definitely increase the utility and the amount of people that know about Shiba Inu coin. So right now, Shiba Inu coin is extremely popular in the crypto community. You can go on Twitter, you can go on social media. You can get just bombarded by people looking at Shiba Inu coin. But if you're going to go to your mom right now and be like, do you own any Shiba Inu coin? She might be like, what are you talking about? You're going to go talk to your sister and be like, do you own any Shiba Inu coin? A kid on the street, you own any Shiba Inu coin? He might be like, what are you talking about, man? What are you talking about? So if you do get a partnership with somebody like Amazon or Netflix, they may not use it to pay for their subscription services, but people would know about it at that point. And that would definitely increase the demand if they knew about it and could make that decision. Hey, bro, you missed me? Always, Dindy. Always, man. Clay will look like your profile picture. I don't know if I'll be looking like Shredder's profile picture ever. I'm going to be a nightmare to a lot of you using 5 years when I disappear. Shredder, please don't be a nightmare to me. Yes, marry poor woman, do that. Oh, great idea, man. Hello, has anyone here looked into a Luna 1 project? John, Pringle, good question. I have not. Plan on dying. Shredder, fake death. If you guys are sitting on like $20 million in crypto, fake death might also be another option next to Portugal. But who knows, too, right? We might be sitting here 5 years from now, and the U.S. is like, oh, we desperately need to keep crypto millionaires here. Crypto taxes are free in 5 years. So, we don't know what the world's going to look like in 5 years from now either. Remy, 50% capital gain kicks in when the following year after you sold it, when you claim it during tax time. Oh, I hate tax time. Yeah, nah, Clay, you missed what I said. Dindy! Sorry, man. Very sorry. Say it again. No snow allowed. It's now spring. Backs. Does say rain might be coming, but I don't know about no more snow. We're not going to have any more snow. Who companies would you like to see them work with? I watch your videos all the time, so finally decided to pick your brain, man. No, Hex, very good questions. As many companies as possible, right? As many companies as possible. And that's because I want to get Shiba Inu coin recognized and known by as many people as possible. I understand that they don't want partnerships with big companies because they're not going to transform big companies, and these small companies like Wellies, can completely integrate their supply chain and their business with Shibarium and blah, blah, blah. Like, that's good, but, I know people that would have no idea what Shiba Inu coin is, but if you did have some sort of a partnership with Amazon, right? And I don't know what the partnership would look like, but if you could pay your Prime in a Shiba Inu coin and either get a discount, or if it just shows up somewhere on Amazon and you're on Amazon and you see it, you're going to get familiar with it. That is advertising. You could see a Clay Bro logo or a Bro logo every day and not really know what it is, and just subconsciously be seeing that. And then all of a sudden you're like, okay, somebody starts telling you about, oh, yeah, I know that, man. No, I feel like I know what that is there. I trust that guy. I've been seeing his logo here for the last year and a half. Never really checked it out, but it's like a part of me. I know what it is now. I feel comfortable with that. He's been around. So as much advertising as possible, as much marketing as possible, I think is a good thing. What is so special with AMC? The short interest and the community surrounding AMC, man. Very special. Who the heck invests in RSI? Some technical traders would invest, not necessarily invest, dude. I don't want to say invest. Some technical traders will trade based on the relative safety or relative strength index there. Sorry. The technical traders, man. I wouldn't say invest, though. I would say trade on the RSI. If you glance at Shudder's pick, you might see something else. It's just the like button, right? It's the like button. So friends are for. Absolutely. Can you get me out of debt? Yeah, man. The easiest way to get out of debt is to create a budget for yourself and start paying your debt off. I can't pay your debt off. I think that would do a disservice to me and a disservice to you. But you can absolutely get out of debt. I don't care how much debt you guys got. You guys can budget and make that happen. And I truly do think that getting out of debt is probably one of the best things that you guys can do. Yes, I always thought Shudder has a dirty picture. Well, man, I'm not going to lie. It does look dirty, right? But it's just a like button. With some weird thing in the background, no? It's just a like button? I hope it's just a like button. My wife knows how to drive 4-speed. Paul, very good. Hello, Clay, bro. Hope all is well. Grandfather's doing well. Go AMC. Joseph, thank you very much. Yeah, Grandpa was doing good today, man. Came over here, hung out for a little while. We went to breakfast this morning, so I had a good morning. RSI, Rush Street Interactive. That's exactly what RSI stands for, man. Rush Street Interactive. We all need money, John. We all need money. It is true, man. We all need money, John. Razor. We got to get that money, man. We got to get that money. Hey, bro, I thought you were coming on the live stream today with mayo in your hair based on yesterday's live stream. Meta Pockets? No, not going to happen. Actually, I did not buy any mayonnaise, so I still can't put any mayonnaise in my hair. Clay, bro, do you know how much leisure bone has to be staked to buy land? So, yeah, it is not necessarily staking that... Because staking, you can earn rewards, so it's locking. It is slightly different. But I think 0.2 leash is the minimum. Shib.io. Let me see the maximum. So the maximum leash. Oh, come on. If you lock 5 leash, you can buy more lands. Okay? You can buy 100 plots of land. If you stake 0.2 leash, you can only buy 1 land. Okay? Gosh. If you stake 0.7 leash, you can buy at least 5 lands. But you got to stake 5 leash or what, like $7,500 to buy 100 lands. And you got to do that for a month and a half. You got to lock it for a month and a half. If you lock it for 3 months, God, dude, $7,500 for 3 months is that gives you the ability to buy 200 plots of land. So interesting there, but 90 days, man, it's a long time when you're locking volatile assets. So what happened with AMC's price today? AMC went up today, Vengeance. AMC closed at $18.53, gained 6.5% on the day. Down about 1% after hour, kind of sitting steady there at $18.37 right now. But overall, very nice day for AMC. If you look at a 5-minute chart up here in the top left, you can see that it dipped down a little bit at the open, tapped $16.94, bounced off this $17 line, and ended up rising about $1.50, $1.60, and tapping out at $18.58 before closing at $18.53. So overall, very nice day for gains on AMC today. Zoom out a little bit there so we can at least see some of that rise right now. Shredder! Thank you very much. Oh, that's what he's got. He's liking the salt shaker button. Shredder, thank you very much for the salt shaker. Guys, salt is just delicious. But you got to pour it out. You pour the salt out on the table, and then you throw it over your shoulder for good luck. But because salt tastes so good, you just got to... Oh, man, but every time it gets in your eye, it stings, man. It stings when you get it in your eye. Shredder, thank you very much for the salt shaker, man. Absolutely appreciate all the super stickers, guys. How many Shib for one leash? Oh, man. How many Shiba for one leash? Probably what? Like 60 million Shiba? Yeah, 56 million Shiba, I think. Let me double check the current price of leash. Yeah, a little less. So yeah, about 45 million, 50 million Shiba. Paul Wright, thank you very much for the super sticker. Paul says, I'm going to see you meow, boy. I'm going to see you meow. Thank you very much, Paul. Absolutely appreciate that super sticker. I don't understand why that one is worse than the salt shaker. I really don't understand, but that one makes me feel weirder than the salt shaker does. It's very strange to me. Lauren calling. Yeah, well, unfortunately not, Paul. Unfortunately not. Hey, Alice, I'm a student. Jay, very good, man. Glad to see you there. After YouTube and taxes, bro, only gets 33 cents for every dollar from Super Chat. Nah, it would be a little bit more than that. Yeah, it would be more than that. Can't wait until you're all rich enough to do drugs and kill 7-Elevens in a single day. Antics, no, that is bad. Don't do drugs. Nobody do drugs. New foe, Shiba Inu to Pluto. Ahoo, yes. 2 things, hit that like button, and when do you think Shiba is going to run? Joseph, thank you for telling people to hit that like button. I appreciate that. We currently have 70 likes, guys. I know we can get over 100 likes. I would appreciate it if you guys got to over 100 likes here. When do I think Shiba's going to run? Like an absolute breakout, I would say stands the best chance when Bitcoin is running as well, or when all of these inflation scares and interest rate scares settle down and people calm down with all of that nonsense. But if Shiba is able to break out of 3,000 points per coin, I would see a run up to 3,500. If it breaks out, we're still sitting right here. We're right in this range that it's been wanting to trade in. If it does break through 3,000 points per coin, right in this area up here, this is 28. This is kind of like the tip. If it breaks out of that level, I would imagine we see a run of 35. But 35, man, if it breaks out of there, that's like the golden line that it needs to pass through to see another run up like it had back here in October. So I would say a technical breakout would be just as important as any of the news that we see coming out. 3,000 and 3,500 points per coin. going to be very significant on Shiba Inu. When does that happen? Like what day? I don't know, but I think that's the best way to look at it is when it breaks that certain level. Never forget the first time I came into your stream and you were doing the cat thing. Oh, Dindy, I'm glad you stayed. Why did you stay? I have no idea. I'm glad you stayed. Black salt, green salt, pink salt, smoked salt, regular table salt, pink salt for sure. Never had black, but Himalayan salt, man. It's some good stuff there. That's like a double dragon off of Starsky and Hutch. Yes, it is, man. Yes, it is. It's good, though. Clay makes as much money as I spent on his OnlyFans. Yeah, there you go, man. Transparent. Thank you for spending all that money. I wish I had. Dude, if you are spending on a Clay Bro OnlyFans account, I wish it was mine. No emoji. No, I do not. Wish I did, but I don't. This guy doesn't know crap. He's been leading you all on forever. Jay Cordova Trucking. I would disagree, but if you feel that way, I mean, I don't know. Either test me or, I don't know, say why you feel that way. Because I would disagree. Yes, he sells used diaper. Would anybody buy a used diaper? I would not. I would not buy a used diaper. I don't care who used it. Claybro, put up a crypto wallet for donations and get around all that. Luke, that might be a good idea, man. That might be a good idea. Anybody donate in crypto? Yeah, right. Nobody would donate in crypto. Someone just told me that they make triple figures with a free OnlyFans account. Might have to look into that and not tell the family about it. Cassie, tell the family. How do you make money on a free OnlyFans account? Tips? Is it from tips? Is that what you're talking about? Cassie, is that what it would be? I'd imagine it would have to be tips, right? Yeah, Clay. I was like, what is this dude doing? I stayed to make Shiba #1. Dindy, good deal, man. I'm glad you made it through because Dindy James, guess what you are? Dindy's #1. Dindy's #1. Dindy's #1. Dindy, you know what you are? Do you know what you are? Dindy's #1. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Dindy. You are #1, man. Absolutely appreciate all the super stickers, guys. My ex-wife has an OnlyFans, pugnacious. Hopefully she does very well. I'm waiting for Claybro to start selling a Claybro Speedo. Tim, I'm also waiting to sell a Claybro Speedo, man. We need to make that happen. We do. Anybody got any ideas? We're going to get some Speedos with Claybro on them. First time seeing you do the cat thing. New subscriber, Tony. What do you think, man? What do you think? Is it a little too much? A little too little? It's got to be a little too much, right? And Cassie, if they recognize you from OnlyFans, they would never admit it. Bax, Alice, they'd be like, "Well, Cassie, could you pass the potatoes, please? Could you pass the potatoes, please? Thank you. Thank you." I don't buy clothes used diapers. I steal them from his trash on Tuesday nights. Well, dude, Tuesday night would be difficult. Tuesday night is not trash night, but you'd have to come into the house. No, I've been holding Shiba long enough. I can keep holding it till it goes up to $1. If it goes to $1, I'm gonna throw the biggest party ever. I'll never have to work again. Joseph, man, I hope you get it, dude. Even if it's not short term, even if it's long term, I absolutely hope you get it and that you get to throw that party, man. Vengeance. Thank you very much for the super chat. Vengeance. Man, that might be one of my favorite ones right now. I don't know. You get a little head rush when you do that one right there. Vengeance. Thank you very much for that super sticker. Hopefully, if you guys are new in here right now, that caught you a little off guard, but that's what that super sticker is right there. You guys try that right now. I guarantee you get a head rush. Hello, everybody. And Clay, did you Did you get to eat yesterday? Hi, everyone. And Clay, did you get to eat? So, Bighorn steak. Yes, I did eat yesterday. I did not eat mayonnaise or eggs yesterday, but I made some salmon last night. When Shiba hits $1, we are all buying our own islands beside each other. We could call it the Shiba Isles. Yes, we could probably make our own islands at that point if we needed to. It hits $1. Soccer's actually good today. Hockey is rapping about it. Hockey is wrapping it up soon. Oh, watching hockey. I was like rapping about it. Who is hockey and what is he rapping about? Yes, awkward family get together. It might be a little weird, but no, hey, man. I mean, unless they want to feel weird too. They're just gonna let it go. Clay bro, I know Tuesdays and trash night, but there's still warmth. Ridiculous, man. Transfer, no. If you sold the Clay Road garments, would you be modeling them on stream asking for a friend, Paul? I'd have to, man. I'd have to. I mean, why not? You'd have to. Somebody's got to. You got to know what it looks like. Why'd you buy something you don't know what it looks like? The circulating supply, you guys think it will reach $1? Not with the circulating supply. Jay, I do not think it's going to reach $1 with 500 trillion coins outstanding. I think that's too much. Claire that was asking about how you felt about WBD, Warner Brothers Media, $45 price target, a potential short squeeze play. Interesting. JJ. Will be WBD? Did I see WBA? Interesting. Yeah, man, I do not know what their short interest would look like, and why do they only have like 2 weeks worth of information on here? Honestly, dude, I have no idea, and I have no idea why they only have 2 weeks information on Webull. They couldn't have just listed, right? There's no way. New phone! Thank you very much for the super sticker. Guys, close your eye. Hey, AMC Trapper, I'm thinking about Nufo, but I'm looking at you. Nufo, thank you for the banana. This is the lick and stick technique, guys. Most important part, eye contact. Lick, stick. Thank you very much, Nufo. Absolutely appreciate that super sticker. Trapper, man, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Trapper. Trapper can't help it. Trapper's looking straight at the screen when I do that one. For all the newbies at AMC Trapper, exactly, Nufo. Yes, thought tonight I was going to try and rubber chicken the burrito with mayonnaise and cook it in the air fryer and see if it makes a good chimichanga. Pugnacious. If you do that, you got to let us know tomorrow how it goes, man. Is there an AMA today for Shiba? So, Jeremy, I do not believe so. I think they did an impromptu AMA yesterday, but I do not think they have one scheduled for today, at least from what I've seen. Krill burns more coins a day than Shiba. I don't know if Crypto.com burns as many coins, man. Crypto.com is a lot higher price token than Shiba Inu coin is. And Kerr only has 25 billion coins. Shib needs to step it up. Luke, if it really, there's no way it burns that much. How would it burn that much? 2017, Robinhood listed Dogecoin and was 0.0004. Tang Swan, I hope, man, I hope that Shiba Inu coin rises just like that. One clay, two bananas. You know, I don't actually know if I've ever eaten 2 bananas in a row. I feel like bananas, you don't eat 2 of those. You know what I mean? Like, I've never been so hungry, or I've never had a banana and been like, dang, I want another banana. Now that I think about that, has anybody ever done that? Has anybody ever had 2 bananas in one sitting before? Veru. Dude, we get to see Veru. Veru was running the other day. Oh my gosh. I don't see it in an all-time high right now. All-time high looks like it's $24 here. But Veru, absolutely. $24? Is that what we got? Monthly. Yes, 24. All-time is the all-time high there. 24.75. Dude, if it breaks out of this resistance area in here at 15, yeah, you absolutely could see a sick run on Veru. This is the cancer one, right? Yes. It's the cancer one. Is anybody holding this? Got nervous here? Decided to get in on this dip and watched it go from $9-10 to 15 today? My goodness. Everyone relax. Pop your... Does that mean something? Does that mean something? Like, I feel like you guys are trying to get me on something with taking my socks off there. Somebody help me with this one. Why would you guys laugh if I take my socks off? Nasty Shiba Inu. Ooh, you bad one. I grow them. I often eat 6 to 10 a day. Wayne, there's no way you eat 6 to 10 bananas a day, man. Come on, I live in Key West and have 20 banana plants, so I eat many of them. Wow, Wayne might not be lying. I don't know. I feel like that's a lot of bananas, though, dude. Wayne, that's not a lot of bananas. Let's see. 2 bananas in a day, but not at the same time. Yeah, not at the same time. I don't know if I've ever had 2 bananas at the same time. No Charlie horses for Wayne. Dude, if Wayne's eating 6 bananas in a day, nah, he ain't getting no cramps ever. Saw you with 2 bananas. You may have there, transparent. I'm holding Beru 2x shares. Spaniard loves the risky plays, man. Spaniard makes me nervous. I'm gonna have to start having nightmares about Spaniard. I'm not gonna be able to sleep at night. My gosh. It's like popping your collar. Oh, dude, popping your collar is cool then. You gotta do that then. JJ Shib burn. Oh, thank you guys. Time check. How is it 5 o'clock already? I don't know how it's 5 o'clock. But it's 5 o'clock. AMC Trapper says, Clay, man, I can't leave. I missed the last one, and I don't feel like rewinding. AMC Trapper, now I'm thinking about you, and I'm looking at you. You got the banana, man. Lick and stick, eye contact. AMC Trapper, thank you very much for the super sticker. Appreciate you, man. Look, guys, it is 5 o'clock. We're going to take off for tonight. I got 2 videos coming out. Sorry I missed it, but you got another one. You're going to have 2 videos coming out, guys, in 2 hours and 3 hours, 7 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. Eastern. Watch them, like them, share them, all that good stuff. If you guys don't have any followers, you don't want to share them anywhere, you can share them on Stock Twits. You know, they show up in the feed if you share them on Stock Twits. But you guys are going to have a Shiba video and an AMC video coming out in a couple hours from here. Thank you to everybody for the super chats. Thank you guys for being in the chat today. Let's get these shout outs going and enjoy the rest of your evenings. Dunell, thank you very much. Enjoy your evening. AMC Trapper, Ray Marquez. That's it. Newfo, Vengeance, See a Spaniard, AMC Trapper, Shiba Burn, Shredder, Paul, Vengeance. Vengeance is vegetarian, if you guys didn't know. Frodo, see you later. Alice, a Bighorn Steak, see you. Tim, see you later. Mark, DD214, Mo, G, Dustin, see you. Dindy James, enjoy your evening. Mellow Mamas, Vengeance, Trading, Transparent Trading, see you later. Paul, forgot my cup, see you later, my man. Alice, AMC Trapper saying peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Shiba Inu, enjoy your evening. Shredder, Frank, Meta Pockets, Nufo, Shiba Inu to Pluto, ahoo! Yes, Vengeance, see you later. See you all, Tim. All right, you guys know what time it is, so if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.